Hello, my name is Mike. I'm the Logan Homes Builder Specialist at Hampton Lake, an award-winning master plan community in Bluffton, South Carolina. In addition to beautiful homes, Hampton Lake also offers world-class amenities. These include pools, fitness center and spa, miles of walking trails, tennis and pickleball courts, and of course the lake that features fishing, kayaking, and boating. There are activities for all age groups. Speaking of beautiful homes, Logan Homes offers dozens of floor plans that vary in style, size, and price point. Our newest neighborhood, the Anchor Bend Collection, is a Logan exclusive enclave located within the gates of Hampton Lake. These 24 cottage lots, the last to be released in Hampton Lake, are a vanishing opportunity. Anchor Bend will feature homes from our Bird, Carolina, Islands, and Seaside collections. All of these homes will have views of either the lagoon or forest preserves, and all are located near the newest gated entrance to the community. To personalize your new home, you can visit our design studio to be certain that it fits your lifestyle. For more information on our move-in ready homes, available floor plans, and more, please visit us at loganhomes.com.